Alright, hey everybody, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be playing some Roblox Vietnam. I will be an assault soldier because I can. Alright, we're going up. I'm an Americano fighting against the Viets. This is a pretty good Roblox game. I love it. You should check it out. Volume needs to go down. I'm dying. Hey. Got him. Got him. Where did that guy come? He was in my screen. He out of nowhere. I just got murdered. Yeah, let's retry that. A little better this time. Oh, I just realized you guys can't hear any of the sound effects. Oh yeah. So all you're gonna hear nothing in the background. I'll play some music for y'all. Wow. You can't even hear the gunshots. Yeah, that's kind of a problem. I guess they can be kind of loud, so. We'll just give you some nice music to listen to. How about that? Sound fair? Alright. Can't answer me. But you can leave an answer in the comments. Right. What are you? I'm screwed. Alright, just left, right. I see a move. Jeez, there's a whole stack of them over there. Ow! I'm just running. Out of nowhere! Oh, I didn't get sniped. I pretty much got sniped. But without a sniper. Say you got sniped, but you didn't get... Okay. It's Jason. I am pretty much a killer right now. Cookies, berries. Oh, I forgot this game has. You can only have a certain amount of time underwater, or else you start taking damage from them. You know, drowning. There's nope. Ammo. Good. 1 and plus 1. Let's go. Running up. Out of nowhere. Help me. I thought I got shot. Yes, they say stuff. Game has voice lines, but you can't hear. Wow, nothing. I see somebody. My ears are ringing. Okay. T1. There's a person. Right there he is. I almost had it. Medic didn't come in time. I'm dead now. Why the medic must come or else you die. Oh wait, that's probably copyrighted. Yeah, YouTube probably won't watch this in the first place, will they? Yeah, it's just sad. I see something. I didn't get sniped. I thought I got sniped. Man just revolvered me to death. Oh, that actually kind of scared me. Oh, listen, he didn't get a headshot. Oh gosh. It's basically what Escape the Noobs is gonna Escape the Noob Invasion is gonna look like. And this is gonna be run again. It's basically just gonna be a giant war. There's clearly somebody disguised in the bushes. What the heck is that? First of all, I'm taking fire from a sniper. I literally, where the heck is this? Not yours. Medic! What the? What the? Oh, crap. That's what I expected out of that. Where's the dang medic? Let me guess, there's 0 medic. Just fire at him. Get down on the ground. Oh. I got killed by a noob. I don't see anybody. I think I'm good. Sir. He's dead. Don't even have to worry about him. My killer is dead, and somehow my his body just rolled down the mountain. That face though. Look what he's doing. I have no vision. I have visual. Okay, I gotta spawn him out. I should probably sniper status. I see a sniper in that building, unless he's dead. Sniper's confirmed the kill. He left the game, or that's him. I saw explosives. I saw explosives coming up. I just came back from being AFK for a couple seconds to open a door and I'm dead. Oh, somebody. Oh, Bonnie, you. I got a notification for you too. Check out my friend Bonnie, please. I'm probably. Yeah, Mom.
Right. You're showered and ready, right? Bye.
Yeah. Sniper status. Oh, where is he? I hear it. I see him. Sniper status. I'm taking fire. I found a couple snipers. You gotta spot them. So every little team knows where. This will probably be a 1 round bed. Yeah, it's already been 9 minutes. We're at. Okay. Oh, I thought it was an enemy. I was like. Alright, well. So that's probably gonna be it for this video. I know it's short, but I don't know. It's short, I know, but I'll see you in the next video. Bye!